How to activate a replacement Chime debit card on mobile. Hi everyone, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to activate your replacement Chime debit card using your mobile app. It's easy, fast, and only takes a few steps. First, open the Chime mobile app on your phone and log in using your account credentials. From the main dashboard, tap on Settings. This is where you can manage your Chime card options. Next, choose Activate Card from the list of options. This will start the activation process for your replacement debit card. When prompted, enter the details of your new Chime debit card carefully. Make sure all numbers are correct to avoid any issues. Review all the information and tap Confirm. Your replacement Chime card will now be activated and ready to use immediately. And that's it. You have successfully activated your replacement Chime debit card using your mobile app. Quick, easy, and hassle-free.